Alright, so we are rolling. 50% roll breaks up. And full throttle. 3, 2, 1. Full throttle.
This is
And
slow.
pulling back at 50 knots. Oh yeah. Flaps up. And gear up.
I like how there's just this lonely C-17 waiting at the end of the runway.
Formation seaplanes. Here we go. Got some tight corners. Some bridges.
All very famous.
Definitely not on this phone down. Even on Bond movies.
Oh, someone just crashed.
There's the Aviator bridge just up ahead. Again, that's a really famous.
Straight into it.
Oh! My mouth died that one. Ooh, CC almost hit a building.
You can kind of touch and go on this one on the water. It's a little
I'm alright, I'm alright.
back. Venice is not a very big place. Oh, I went through that one. I was lucky. And then we're just going to go past the train station on the right. This is where a lot of people arrive. And when we get to the end of the canal, we'll take a left.
Ooh, hidden bridge. That was a sneaky bridge.
Alright, turning left, following down the coastline. So kind of overflying this kind of industrial bit, past the cruise ship. Go on then, flaps. Don't really need flaps. Slows you down a bit, I guess.
Splish, splash, splish, splash.
And we're down. Brakes don't work.
That's
Some guy's got to buzz into something.
Parking up on the land, wheels down. Will that work? Oh no.
Yeah, I think it does. Except you need the water rudder down too.
Oh man.